We will need a screwdriver and the new sensor. First, we turn off the machine using the power button. We unscrew the 4 screws from the control panel. We disconnect this cable and reattach the control panel with a single screw to hold it in place. From the bottom of the machine, we pull out the cable we just disconnected. We locate the sensor and release it. We unscrew the sensor and remove it. We insert the new sensor through the same space. We screw it in place. We thread the cable back, which will be connected to the motherboard. We secure the sensor cable again. Now we remove the control panel once more and reconnect the cable. We screw in the 4 screws of the control panel. We turn on the oven and verify that the control panel operates normally.